Okay, it's sticker time. We've got a full sticker kit. Show you them there. It's the frame, back mud guard, front forks, rear mud guard, front mud guard, frame. They're for the swinging arm. That's for the tank cover. Full kit. They will be the people that supplied me these stickers, so that's a thank you to them. It's a good quality kit, and I'm really looking forward to getting this stuff on the bike. That's the equipment we'll be using: a standard heat gun, a nice clean cloth, and some cleaner for the metal to make it nice and clean. Right, let's do it. Let's not mess any of it up. Let's get it on the bike. So there's the old water impeller where the shaft goes through there. It had worn on this plastic piece, it had worn, so there was loads of play in that turning on the shaft, so it's not been working properly. You can see it's a bit melted there and just a bit garbage. So we've got a new kit. Where are we? There we are. Complete new water pump kit, 2 new bearings, which was an upgrade. There's the new impeller, new circlip, seal, and new shaft. So that's all the water pump taken care of. So we've got them to fit. We've got to fit the crank seal on the other side, and we've got oil seals for the gear lever, kickstart shaft, etc. Where else are we? O-ring washers for the cylinder head. Gaskets, got a full set of gaskets, head gaskets. There's the new rings for the 270 top end. So yeah, let's get cracking with this one then. Today's task, final jobs on the TECHNO. Got the carb to fit, that's all been ultrasonic cleaned and rebuilt. Happy days, that's that done. Airbox is now clean, and that's all been cleaned. It's full of muck and stuff inside, so it's all done and cleaned, so that's going to go on. I've got a new rubber to fit carb to airbox because the old one is just, look at, it's all perished and split, so that's going to let air in. It's going to run not very good with that excuse, that. So we've got a new one of them to fit, and obviously a new air filter as well. Right, let's get all this done and dusted, and then the bike's nearly done. Happy days. In a bit. Behold, in all its glory, finally finished. It's turned out quite well, actually. Didn't expect it to turn out as well as it has done. There's a couple of little bits I'm not happy with, which I'm going to show you on a later video. Just wanted to get this one done out of the way, basically. So this is bike number 1 of the 4-bike challenge done. If you're new to the channel, what we're doing basically is the 4-bike challenge, which is we're buying 4 bikes, trials bikes from the 90s, so between 1990 to 1999. Each one's got to be under £1,000. Don't want to be spending a lot of money on them, and I'm going to restore them, rebuild them, get them all working, get them as close to standard as factory as they were when they left, and then we're gonna trial them and just learn a few things along the way. Basically, this is bike number 1, Beta TECHNO Lambkin replica 1998. I'll do a video later on. We've got bike number 2 to do now, which is the Gas JTX. That's the next one, so that's the next video you'll see. We're going to be starting that. I did rush this. I did it in 4 episodes. The gas, we're going to do it a lot longer, probably over 8, 9, maybe 10 episodes. Going to really break it down, start stripping the bike, going right through it bit by bit as we restore and rebuild every section. This one was, I rushed it through because I wanted you guys to get into the channel and see what I was doing and stuff like that, just so you knew what's happening. So that's bike number 1 done. Happy days. Bike number 2 will be the next video, which we'll be doing. It's the gas. You won't be the last you see of this. I'll be doing a video in a couple of months with us riding it, and we're going to go through a rundown of the costs, what the bike costs to buy, how much it's cost to rebuild, what we've done to it, things that I'm happy with, things that I'm not happy with, and yeah, that'll be that. Like I say, next one is the gas coming up soon. I hope you've enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you can. It really is making a difference to how I go about doing this channel. I hope you're happy with that, and like I say, I'll give it a run for you in a few weeks, and I'll do a video on that. Until next time, be seeing you